In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Patreon to your PayPal account. Patreon is a site where authors can publish their work with a paid subscription. For each subscription, the author will be able to earn money. To view your income from paid subscriptions, you need to open the Payouts section. The entire amount you have earned will be displayed there. In order to send your earned money from Patreon to your PayPal account, you need to open Settings. After that, select Billing and Payouts. At the bottom, you will see a section where the payout method will be written. Select your country of residence and then enter the email address to which your PayPal account was registered. Email is the identifier for receiving payments on PayPal. After that, save the details you entered on the Patreon page. After that, select the Payouts section on the main page of Patreon. Next to your amount, you need to click on the Withdraw button. In the window that opens, you will be able to confirm or change your PayPal address. Once confirmed, the money will be sent to your PayPal account. The money will be credited within 10 minutes, but the maximum period is 3 or 5 days. That's all. In this way, you can get the money you earn from Patreon to your PayPal account. Thank you all for watching.